Hello everyone. So today our topic is loop. So if you want to do something more than one time, the same task you want to perform more than one time, then you can use loops. So we will start the loops from very basic, and there are different types of loop in C++. So that can be the for loop, while loop, do while loop. So we will start with the for loop. And first, I just want to tell you that how that for loop will work. So we have a for loop. This is the for loop, and in the for loop we have, okay, if we want to write this for loop variable outside the loop, so you can do like this. So you can, this is loop initialization. So your loop is initializing from 0, then terminator, then I is less than equals to whatever the end condition you want to give. I am giving 10, and then I plus plus, this is the increment. So this is the syntax of the for loop in C++. So for is the keyword, then this is starting, this is the condition, and this is the increment. So now this is the body of the for loop. In body of the for loop, what I want to say, I'm just want to print something 10 times. So see, now this welcome will print 11 times. Why 11 times? Because it is starting from 0 and then less than equals to 10. So what you will do, guys, first of all, you have I. So then you will check that I equals to 0, and then you will check that 0 less than 10, yes, and then it will print this one line, and after printing the line the increment thing will happen. So now 0 goes to this plus plus mean 1 increment. So 0 goes to 1, and 1 is less than equals to 10, yes, then welcome will print. Then 1 increment in 1 became 2, 2 less than equals to, so this will do something like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this one happen only on the start of the for loop. Okay, so now we will run the code and we will have a look that what is the output, and see, guys, so multiple times you print one. Okay, so this is the basic thing that we have done with the for loop. Now there is one more problem that we will do with the for loop, that is the uh, if you want to print the table of something. So what we will say that we will take the value from the user. Okay, we will give the user the message, enter number to table. So here I have another variable that is number n. So I will write here n. Okay, so this n will be the number, the user will enter the number, and then here what I will say that, so I'm not going to do like this, I will do something like this. So this one value I'm going to take from the variable 2, then this one value I just have to print on the screen, that is multiply, and this one value I want to take from the I, and then this one value I just want to equals to, and this one value is n multiply I. So this is just a printing of the table. Let's have a look what will happen. So mostly our table start from 1, not from 0. So when I will run the program, so it's asking for number. So I'm saying that number is 10. So see, this is the table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. So here just have a look on our printing statement. Just have a look on my print statement. So first 10, this is the number that user has entered. Then next is multiply. So multiply is just, I just print as it is on the screen. Then third is I. So I is our loop variable, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then equals to is exactly whatever, like it's inside the commas, so I just print it like that. And then n multiply by I. So this is something like the multiplication. So this is the table. So we have a lot of other loops, we will do that also. So this is about the for loop, and this is of course the simple for loop. Now if we want to do the same work with the while loop, so what we will do? So with the while loop, what I will do, while, so while have also some starting condition. So see guys, this is the starting condition. So I is equal to 1. Now we will not do like this, we will do the condition here. So initialization will be here, condition should be here. So that condition was I less than equals to 10. So this one, this condition will be inside. While loop have the different condition whatever you want to give. So this is our while loop condition. And then one thing is missing, that is our while loop increment. So I plus plus, that should be after this. Okay, so we will see that. Okay, so here we miss the terminator, so it is giving us the. So see guys, for loop format was that one. Now while loop format is this one. So you have to initialize something before the while loop, then you have to give some condition inside the while loop, and then you have to increment something. The here and here the increment depends upon you. You can do one increment, two increment, three increments, all up to you. Now just have a look. Expected terminator, of course, after the increment it is expecting the terminate. So this is our while loop. So guys, we have a lot of conditions, like sometime we like whatever the condition we can use here, but now I am working on the tables, so that's why I am using these conditions like this. Okay, so this is our while loop, and while loop is working like this. Now run the program. So it is asking for 10, and see guys, 10 ones are 10, same results because I am doing the same table. Now the third thing is we have one more while loop, that is the do while loop. So what that do while loop will do while loop will run at least once. Okay. So in some condition, if you want that your output at least run one time, you will use that. That maybe it is not applicable in this condition, but still we will do this one do while loop like this. So see guys, so this is the do while loop format, and here you have a terminator. So what the format of do while loop, you will write the do here, all the things that is happening in do you will do here inside the do, and then you have a while. Okay, so now if you will run the program, then what will happen? 10. So see guys, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 56. So these all are the different loops that are in the C++, but of course you can use these loops in different ways. I just use it for printing the table, but you can use in different ways. So but we will do some more practice on the loops. So if you want to do more practice on the loops with different problems, we will do that. So you can join me in my coming sessions. So for now, this is all about the loops. That is some basic understanding of the loop. And thank you guys for joining the session. And if you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment section. And if you like my video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.